Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Metromile account linking for auto miles tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Metromile website. Log in to your Metromile account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. Click on account settings to access your profile details. Find the section labeled Link My Vehicle or Account Linking. Select this section to begin the linking process. You will see a list of compatible vehicle options. Choose your vehicle type from the provided list. You'll be prompted to enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN. Locate your VIN on your vehicle or on your registration documents. Enter the VIN carefully to avoid errors. After entering the VIN, click the Next button. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linking. You may need to verify your identity through a security question or email verification. Complete any additional steps as directed to finalize the linking process. Once linked, your vehicle will sync with your Metromile account. Check that your miles are being tracked by reviewing your account dashboard. If everything is set up correctly, you're good to go. Congratulations, your Metromile account is now linked for automatic miles tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.